My friends, don't get me wrong. We are not going to choose who is better, Martha or Mary. Because at the end of the day, they are not in opposition with each other, but all complementary. We need the two in our lives as Christians. We are just reminded before doing, go back to the basic. Meet the Lord, listen, and talk to Him. And we cannot graduate from the basics because basics are all about relationship. Pag-alabin ang relasyon natin sa Diyos, magdasal. All of us have a bit of Martha and Mary. We are both body and soul. We must keep both in balance. Jesus not only need people who work for Him, but also He need people who do His work.